Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of s from this exponential equation. We're given that 27 over 8 all raised to the power of x is equal to 32 over 243. So to solve for the value of s from this equation, the first thing we need to do is to write each of these number in terms of their prime. 27 is the same as 3 raised to the power of 3, then over 8 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 3, then all raised to the power of x, which is going to be equal to 32 is the same as 2 raised to the power of fifth power, then over 243 is the same as 3 raised to the power of fifth power. So the next thing we're going to do, as you can see, whenever you have the same power, then we can take the power out. So as you can see, 3 is raised to the power of 3 and also 2 is raised to the power of 3. Their power is the same. So this can also be written as well, 3 over 2, then all raised to the power of 3. Then everything is going to raise to the power of initial x, which is exponent x. Okay, so everything now will be equal to 2 to the power of 5 over 3 to the power of 5. As you can see here, the power is also the same. So we're going to just write only the base, which is 2 over 3 all raised to the power of 5. So the next thing we're going to do is to multiply the two power together. As you can see, this is raised to the power of 3 and it's also all raised to the power of x. So we're free to multiply the two power together. So when we do that, we're going to have 3 all over 2, then all raised to the power of 3 multiplied by x is going to give us 3x, which is going to be equal to 2 over 3 all raised to the power of 5. So what is the next thing we're going to do? As you can see, if you consider this base, this is which is this bracket. Here we have 3 over 2 and here we have 2 over 3. So they are not the same and we want to make it to be the same. So we're going to recall that when we have x over y and we want to change the switch the numerator to be denominator and denominator to be numerator, this is the same as what y all over x raised to the power of -1. What do you notice here? When we switch this fraction, the power is going to be negative. The power will change to negative power. So this is the same thing we're going to apply to the left hand side of this equation so that we can make the base to be the same. So 3 over 2 can also be written as what 2 all over 3 raised to the power of -3x. As you can see, we switch the fraction, then we'll make the exponent to be negative, which is going to be equal to, here we're not going to touch anything, 2 over 3, then all raised to the power of 5. Now, what do you notice? The base is not the same, 2 over 3, 2 over 3. And recall one of the property of indices. Whenever the bases are the same, there is equality sign, then the power is also the same. So all we're going to do now is to equate the exponent. So the first exponent here is -3x. We're going to write -3x, which is going to be equal to, then the exponent in the right hand side is 5. Now to get the value of x, we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is -3. So we divide the left hand side by -3 and also the right hand side by -3. So that this -3 is going to cancel this -3. We're left with x, which is equal to 5 divided by -3 is going to give us -5 all over 3. And here is the value of x that satisfies this exponential equation. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and also follow this page for more video like this.